Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Apple Watch band. This one is compatible from 49 millimeters all the way up to 38 millimeters. These are great for men and women. This is considered the Ocean Band breathable soft silicone strap, and they have many different colors to choose from. Alright, so right here we have our Sport Fitness watch band. This one is offered in several different colors. I had purchased the hot pink, so you have two different choices to choose from in sizes. So the size that they have is the first option, which is the 41 millimeter, 40 and 38. And then they have the 49, 45, 44 and 42. So I'm going to just dump right in here. So this one is compatible with all the Apple Watch models starting from the Ultra, and it goes all the way down to the SE. So the Ocean Band is made of high grade material, that it is breathable, which is a perfect fit. It's lightweight, skin friendly, it's waterproof, flexible, suitable for endorsing sports, outdoors adventures, water sports. So like other bands that I've had tend to rub and they feel a little bit thicker and heavier. With this one you can see that it's got a lot of holes in here, so it is very breathable. It feels like you're not wearing anything on. It's got a new band buckle with the adjustable hook on the bands, ending that not seeing the extra band. It's more securely locked the bands. It is easy direct installation with just one button removal. So they do give you two options. So you can see right here, this is one option that you can click it in, and then they have another option you can put on there as well, like a regular watch. So first I'm going to do is get my Apple Watch Ultra. See, I already have this band right here, so I'm going to remove that and replace it with this band right here. So first off, I gotta take off the buttons here to take them off. And then we're just gonna slide that right on out. Make sure you're pushing it down. And then what you want to do is you want to line up the little metal part in the middle, lock it in place, making sure that it doesn't fall out. So you just slide it right on over there. And then right now you can see that it locks in place. It doesn't even move. So now we're going to take the other part, slide it in. Make sure we align the middle piece to this part here at the bottom. Then we're going to connect it so I can show you how it locks in place. So you can see that it is completely locked in place. Now this originally does not go in here like that. You can see that this little spike up here. So this hook actually goes in between the little holes on the top. So this is backwards. So what I'm going to do is take this off and flip this around. So this little clip right here goes under. And then you have another pin right here. So if you want to wear it like a regular watch, you can just put it in here and it'll hold it down. So that is an option. You have two options to lock it in place. Personally, I just use that one little piece here at the bottom. So now we got it on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So now if you use both of them, it does feel a little bit thicker. So if you use a smaller clip, that one makes it feel a lot thinner, and it only clips on from the very bottom of the strap to the actual other piece. So you got this clip right here, and then you can clip it in like a regular watch. Just slide it in there. This is using both of the pieces that are included. And if you don't like the heavy, thick feel of this, you can actually remove one of them and just use the one little clip here. Just clip it at the bottom. And it slides right in there. So what I did was I used that little clip at the very bottom. So just clipping at the end, that one makes it a lot lighter, so you don't need both of them. It is super comfortable, it's lightweight, it's breathable. So the other watch bands that I had also would make me sweat a lot, so this one doesn't. It is super nice. They do come with several different colors. It is stretchable. In fact, I can even turn this all the way around, so you can see right here it is very stretchable. I can twist this all around, where the other bands I couldn't. So that is the other piece that is included with it. So the locking mechanisms go in the top right here. There's little holes here at the top. So if you use both of them, it feels a little thick right here. But I just use this little clip here at the bottom and then just tighten it up in there. So you can see this is a really nice band. It feels like you ain't got nothing on. I like the fact that it is stretchy and it is breathable. It looks really nice. I decided to go with a hot pink because I have another case that is pink. So what I'm going to do is remove this part and then just connect to the one. So you have this clip right here. You can just connect that one at the very bottom of the strap. So you don't need both of them, and it will hold it in place because you got the little hook at the top. And it holds it in place. You can see that it looks like it is super nice, lightweight. It is stretchable. It is very comfortable. So if you're looking for something that is not too bulky, that is lightweight, and it's great for when you're out doing exercise or just around and you don't want that bulky feeling, I would highly recommend checking out one of these bands. They do offer it in several different colors. Besides the hot pink, I would highly recommend these ones.